Hello everyone. Just wanted to make a video showcasing the Prism Video Player, which is a video player that I started creating 4 days ago, and I have hit a point where I am comfortable kind of calling it the MVP and showcasing um, its capabilities. So it operates very much like AV Pro does. However, it's a little bit lighter and pretty quick. There's definitely some edge cases that I haven't hit, but it is fully capable of doing everything that most people need it to do in a social VR space. Um, for example, this is just a YouTube video I have playing right now. We have the core volume functionality. We can scrub if there wasn't a collider. There we go. From bases. Um, Likewise, it supports almost all codecs. I've tested a lot of different codecs. Um, it can support a lot of different URL types as well. Uh, the cool thing about it is it doesn't rely on FFmpeg at all. So there isn't really any issues with licensing since the FFmpeg licensing is kind of annoying. Um, it can support WebRTC. It supports RTMP, RTSP, so VRCDN works out of the box, um, as well as all of the websites that have videos and streaming that we all like to use. This is just a normal YouTube video. Um, I can grab a YouTube radio link here. Uh, that should also work. Playlist links work. Uh, After this one loads, I can grab um, a YouTube short link. The YouTube short link will be able to scale the video player properly. Um, all of the video formats, it checks the resolution and scales appropriately. Um, so this is a YouTube short. We should see it kind of shrink to a YouTube short layout. Um, Let me queue up a Twitch. We'll grab uh, someone off the front page. We can grab this feed. One of the downsides right now is this is very much the MVP. I have not optimized it at all. I don't really have it utilizing coroutines or the Unity job system, and I am definitely going to be going through the code base over the next couple days and making it as performant as possible. I want to get the player to load much quicker because I did have it initially loading much quicker earlier, but as I added complexity to the player, the load times also kind of decreased. Um, let's see, what else can I show? Uh, I can show a um, Actually, no, I can't. I can't show a VRCDN. If I showed a VRCDN link right now, it would give away a key for one of the accounts that I have. But VRCDN does work. I'll cover that in the future when I can get a vanity URL to use to showcase that, uh, as well as a WebRTC. I'll be doing a whole video on the WebRTC capabilities, which for Peppercast is something that we've needed for a very long time. VRCDN does a pretty good job with RTMP, RTSP, but it is not nearly as fast as WebRTC, and I have been able to get a WebRTC back end working where I was able to stream video from OBS through a WebRTC pipeline and then play it on this player with extremely low latency. Again, that'll have its whole own video to cover. Um, but yeah, just wanted to showcase this, post it in the beta server, get some feedback. I'm not sure how I'm going to release this yet. Um, Because it doesn't have Fmpeg, I can uh, release it on like the Unity Asset Store. Obviously, one of the reasons I made it was because I saw AV Pro's price point and was kind of just like, yeah, no. So it's not going to be anywhere as close to AV Pro, but it probably also isn't going to have the full functionality and all of the edge cases that AV Pro covers. It's going to be very tailored to social VR, um, social VR use cases like watching streams, watching videos together, as well as running streams for live events at high resolution and low latency. Um, I also do plan on doing some more audio work with this web player. I have the capability of separating all of the different audio channels. So, if you want to add a filter to some incoming audio for a club event, you can do that. If you want to lower the treble, increase the bass, you'll be able to do that. It's not currently built in, but it's definitely on my to-do list for the future. Yeah, so please provide any feedback, suggestions. Would love to hear what else you would like to see out of this video player. Because again, I'm kind of trying to build it out and tailor it to the social VR space and for social VR platforms to use moving forward.